your host for today, and welcome sa Ituro Mo! This is a show where you can learn new snacks and desserts which are easy and quick to prepare. And now to start off, let us welcome our guest chef for today, Mr. Joel Almaden.
Good afternoon, Miss Kiang.
Good afternoon din, Mr. Joel. So, ano naman ang recipe na i-share mo sa amin today?
Well, at this point, I will cook uwishi gelatin.
Uwishi gelatin, it makes me think, ano yung uwishi?
Okay, uwishi from the word Japanese, which means delicious.
Delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Tignan nga natin kung delicious yan. What are the ingredients of this?
To make it quick, I've already mixed first the 3 cups of water, the powdered gelatin, and also the 3 tablespoons of sugar. Actually, it is a brown sugar.
So, ito yun siya, right?
Yes,
Mr. Joel?
ito na yun, Miss Kiang.
So, are there any other ingredients of this?
Yes, meron pa natitira tatlong main remaining ingredients,
Ano
which
yun?
are first the evap milk, the condensed, and also the nested cream.
Ano yan sila? Isang...
Actually, we must separate this. Kailangan separate bowl to mix them.
Okay. Tapos, ano naman yung next procedure?
First, we must put the evap.
Evap? Wow. Ako nalagay.
Sure.
Next is, ano naman next?
The condensed milk.
Condensed milk. Wow.
Yes.
Ang sarap naman. Ang daming ganda.
Same procedure lang ha. Kailangan talaga siya i-mix.
Tapos,
Next, the nested cream.
nesting cream. Ang dami namang gatas nito.
Para mas masarap, di ba?
Wow. Oo nga naman.
Okay.
Tapos, ano? So, ano naman ang next procedure niyan?
So, after mahalo natin lahat ng milk,
Ito yun.
ihalo natin itong milk dito sa first three ingredients na minahalo natin.
Yung mixture. Oh, sige.
Ayan. Okay.
Okay. Ayan. Okay. Sige. Tapos, ano naman ang next nito? Haluin ko lang siya.
Same procedure lang ulit. Haluin lang ang lahat.
Tapos,
And after this,
wait. Tapos, ano sunod?
after this, pag mahalo na lahat, kailangan ilagay sa refrigerator, sa freezer.
Tapos nun, after mga ilang, kailangan
Actually, mga 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay na? So, ganun lang kadali, guys. Why don't you try this Oishi gelatin and I'm sure you'll be contented of the food. Now, guys, it's time to go. Thank you, Mr. Joel, for that delicious recipe that you've shared to us. Thank you for watching, guys, and this is Ituro Mo. Guys, hanapin niyo ako. Nakikita niyo ba ako, guys?
Hindi!
Hindi. Ano ba naman kaya? Hanapin niyo nga ako eh. Ayoko nga. Sige na nga. Ang tamad niyo naman. Welcome to the second episode of Ituro Mo! So, to give us another recipe, let us welcome our second guest chef for the day, Miss Casey Chagas. Oh, hello, Miss Casey.
Hello, Miss Kiang. Good evening.
O, diba, bongga, ang ganda ng ating guest chef for today.
Asus, binubola mo naman ako.
So, ano ba naman yung recipe mo?
Yung recipe ko is quick chocolate peanut butter cookie pops.
Ang haba. O, sige, ano ba yung ingredients?
The
yan?
ingredients ito is the biscuits,
Biscuits?
and then melted chocolate, peanut butter, and
And
sprinkler. And of course, the popsicle stick.
Yan, color violet, color of the year. So, paano ba yan gawin?
Actually, sobrang madali lang talaga siya. Actually, pwede mo akong tulungan.
Sige, tutulungan talaga kita.
Ganito.
Ano ba yan?
Ilagay lang yung peanut sa ibabaw ng biscuits.
You mean the peanut?
Oo.
Yan. Oh, gano'n ba karami?
Dapat makapal siya para dumikit talaga yung popsicle stick.
Okay, ganun. Yan.
Then here, sa gitna, ilagay natin siya. Tapos ilagay sa top yung biscuits. Like this. And after this, ibabad sa
Ang cute
chocolate.
naman.
Tapos, ibabad sa sprinkler. After that, yun na siya. Yun.
Yun. Naku, nagka-mess up na. Ayan, so, pag ginagawa nyo to, siguraduhin nyo lang na maayos. Yan. So, ayun. Napakabilis lang talagang gawin na quick chocolate peanut butter cookie pops. Nakita nyo naman, and it's very tempting to the eyes, guys. Colorful. So, ayan po. Dito natatapos ang recipe na binigay ni Miss Casey sa atin. Thank you guys for sharing your time to us dito sa Ituro Mo! Welcome guys to another episode of Ituro Mo! I would like to introduce to you a special guest chef for today. Let us welcome Mr. Wigmore Suelto. Hello, Mr. Wigmore.
Hello, Miss Kiang.
We also call Mr. Wigmore as the Triple H because he is handsome, hunk, and heartthrob. So, what is the recipe that you're gonna share to us today?
Today we're gonna make the mushroom tapa sandwich.
Mushroom tapa sandwich.
Yeah.
So, what are the ingredients for this mushroom
We
tapa
have here the cheese spread,
cheese spread,
the pork tapa,
pork tapa,
the mushroom, the onions, and the
and
hamburger
hamburger
buns.
So, how do we prepare this mushroom tapa sandwich?
For most, we need to have the slice
Hamburger
bun.
buns?
Yeah.
And then,
Then,
okay. And then,
Let's spread the cheese all over
okay.
like this.
And then,
Yeah.
what's the next?
The next one we have to put the
Tapa.
pork
Pork
tapa.
tapa.
Yeah,
And then,
to make it more chunky.
okay.
Yeah, the mushrooms,
The mushroom.
a bit of
Okay.
mushrooms, then a bit of onions.
Onions.
Yeah, this is it. You can use this one.
Okay, and that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
So guys, that's it. It's already finished and it's very easy. Thank you, Mr. Wigmore, for sharing to us your recipe.
My
and thank you
pleasure.
guys for sharing to us your time. This is Kiang and you were watching
Ituro
Ituro
mo!
Mo.
Sa June.